Do you want me to pet you? Is that what you want? Here, I'll pet you, okay? There you go. Oh my!
Cheddar cheese? There's so much cheese.
Are you ready? Come on. Yay, bro.
Get off my Diet Coke! Stop it! I'm returning this. I don't like it. Whoa! Oh my god. Are you okay, Stelly? No! How old are you? Are you 5? Yeah.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. It doesn't hurt her, she just is freaking out. Covered.
Get in your box. Get in your box. Get in your box.
It's healthy. It's a banana.
Bananas are healthy?
Compared to the you eat.
My sister, you are look so beautiful today. My goodness, mashallah, mashallah, subhanallah.
Compliment her, she is not married yet.
My hands are trained for this little one. You can't defeat me. You are just a baby.
Scream really loud and see what your cat does.
Ah! Look at all this. Look what you're doing, dude. Get out. Out. That's it. Out. Come on. Come on. Get out.
You just jumped in my van. What the f? You gotta get down. You are one dirty cat.
Put filters on your cat, they said. It'll be cute, they said.
Why is it spicy?
$164? And we couldn't even figure out what was wrong with you?
Goo goo gaga. I want milk.
Yeah? Yeah. So I've got a pile of laundry here, right? Well, my work skirt's on the ground here. Hello. Look up here. Hey.
This might be the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god. Look at him.
I don't feel like making a transition. Oh.
So I'm sitting here and like my lights randomly turn on.
I don't know how, because you have to press a thing right here. But they're about to go off in like 2 seconds because there's like a ghost in here. Ah! Holy...
Tommy. Tommy. Pa. Tommy. Tommy. Tommy.
This is the 5th time it's happened and he still doesn't realize. Chonk, this side of the table is not weighted. Watch what happens if I remove the book. God damn it.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Hello, yes. I'm here to squeegee your windscreen.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Long live the king.
Can you not?
Oh my goodness. Gizmo. What are you doing? You're looking at another plane, like an ash. Whoa!
They say your animals pick up on your traits. I'm gonna have to start locking Herschel in a different room when I have visitors.
Look, it's just a slipper. It's just a slipper. Miko, it's okay. Look, it's just a slipper. Guys, look, my friend just got a cat. She's so cute. Her name's Bean, but I can't have a cat because my brother's allergic. Wait a second. I think I can have a cat now.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
Ну что? Ты почему себя так ведешь?
I mean, I love how she's keeping herself entertained. I would just love to know how she moved the trash can.
That time I got so drunk I thought a possum was a cat.
Oh, beautiful. Hello. Hello. Come here. Come here. Come here, kitty.
Show me a video of you telling me you're drunk without actually telling me you're drunk.
Some fries.
On this episode of I Raised a Kitten in Quarantine and Now I Have a Cat with Separation Anxiety, we're in the shower.
No. 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 No.
I love to see my mama. Oh, my mama. I love my mama. Oh, yeah, mama. Oh, yeah.
Randall, there is a cow outside.
This is a cow farm. You're gonna find cows outside.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Oh, baby. She said, I'm good. I'm good.
Kitty, you good?
Come here, man. I gotta tell you something. Lean close. Yes. Come on, lean close. Yes. Here we go. Do you have any treats?
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on. Wake up. It's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
So this asshole of a cat knocked the container right out of my hand. And now there's just a complete mess.
I put my cup down for a solid second, and this man's has his entire... Why are you...
Please, Boomer, don't leave me. Please! Oh, don't leave me. Should I trip you?
Guys, help, I think my cat is broken.
Bro, like, I can't walk away or he's just gonna attack me.
Let's go check on the little ones.
Hi, guys. Hi.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I made a mistake. You're right. You made a mistake, you little...
New trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
Meow. Are you gonna meow?
Capta. The queen is coming.
I found the stash. I found it. Oh my gosh.
Here are some Tumblr posts about ants for your consideration. I think I hear an...
I come home and this is what I see through the garage window.
Hey. No grooming. No grooming. You had surgery. Don't make me put the cone on.
How in the world can people not like cats? Like, look at this. Look at him. He's adorable.
How do I tell her that I love her? But I'm 4 seconds away from peeing on myself. Hi, honey. Oh, yes. I'll pee on myself for you. I think I will.